Early pan.
Ah, go on. We there all it off, you know. Right now, I think say tomorrow, you know, I do, you know, for this strike, you know. Yeah, man. Me I page everybody. Go check. Man see after me done, you know. And check for more next people there more. Everybody knows. So tomorrow, at the day. Cause a long time we talk about it, but we not take no action yet. So tomorrow, we'll push out. Placard them down already. So when them things will go work, we walk go to the gate, unlock the gate and demonstrate.
Everything ready, man. Ready.
Yeah, make TV driver come to dance something. Cause right now, money now run good. You see it?
Yo. You know, say, I find a PJ time then worry money. And every Prime Minister come after that, they have to go over there, so them go over there, so them go over there. So it took too long now, brother. Too long now. Too long.
Like you know, so that I think so. You know. So tomorrow.
Yeah, man, let's eat some food. Let me worry too long now. Too long.
How we manage just left?
My friend. Co-worker.
Eh? So when come boat?
You know, say, around PJ days, they always raise the pay. And until today, much Prime Minister, much administration change over. Just a change, go to a change, just a change, come back. So we organize a strike.
Oh. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do not do it. If you know what best for you, leave a strike. Because I need things, I need. And if I go on strike, I don't have nothing to get. Prefer you work with the little or nothing what you get from now.
It's been years since them woman. So what am I going to do? Yeah? That's different because I have a strike. Yeah?
How you mean? See, I mean, if you tell me, say, when I go on strike, who I go mind you? Or you go do sit down? And what me I go name? You, I wait me go lose. And get maga down. X mark the spot before me hear them tell us my X man from me left me I get fat. What me go do start get maga now? Make you see say things now go on for me. You can't go on strike. You can't go on strike.
You know what? Let's talk about it.
That if you do want to grieve me.
Yeah, man. So basically, I set up everything. Have a speech, man, thing I want to say. I the placard them down a workplace. So tomorrow, bright and early, when them things we go start the shift, we go start the demonstration. Everybody's about to them placard. We go to the front of the gate, want to walk off of the work. Like everybody did it, we just stack up the placard, go to the gate and start the demonstration. We need to get more money. Me my woman don't have to she murmur. She eat good, but like certain things she can't get to do. You understand? She want you to come and look at something she want to do her hair, she want to do her nails. Me know say them type of woman them take her up someone, anything what she used to get. She get them things there. While me can make you save a little bit of money, put on one side for a rainy day. We not get to save so much money because we not making enough money. And you know that too. You have to hold up a pit them to take care of. And some of the time you have to give her things same way. So you have to turn up for this at all. Everybody else ready. You ready?
Me a bridging long time. Anything you say, me say. Me ready. We office strike, then now pay we good.
Where say ready?
Me ready, me I go do it.
Alright, so you say ready. So tomorrow, bright and early.
Yeah man, me ready man.
So me I go me here now for nice my woman because she want to do her ear and something from what day. Me tell her so she must get her ear do. So if we demonstrate properly, she can get everything what she want. Because them have to raise the pay them. That's what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's my thing right now. So that we'll do, that we'll do. So I go me yard, go eat some food, rest off, and plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big day. Call everybody and tell them that tomorrow is a big day. Call them. You have all of them number? Call them. You understand? And we should everybody on the same page. Because without everybody, it cannot work. You understand? Alright, so do what you have to do. So tomorrow.
Alright.
What? You just a come from the edges, I know. You like it? Me can't really pull it from the front because me a wait till the glue kind of dry.
Yeah, me like it. How much you pay for it?
Boy, me trust your wig for 125,000 and the girl take 3,500 to put it on.
Then how much you gonna pay for it?
You know must know it total. My man don't really care.
Find them the money that goods.
No, me man, as in come from work today, I pay day. Me just have put out my hand so and tell him say, me I go, me want pay here just a lady.
You know, you must stop just things and put on the man bill. When I then DM, I'm gonna lick you down. Watch.
You want woman, so you must fix up woman. Me can't look like you worse. Me can't look like you worse.
You can't lie, girl. You can't look like the worst. Somebody's son got to pay.
Alright, that is it. I'm take me from good country. Carry me up here and promise me somebody give me everything. I'm here do you want to do, and me do it. I'm nails left to do. And you know, impossible if after me left off my phone, me go do my nails too. You're lucky.
I'm very lucky. Pretty woman they want. Pretty woman they must maintain. That is right.
Wait there. Me a call you back. Cause you look like you might come. Yeah.
Alright. Hang up quick.
Good evening.
Today was a hard day, a rough Friday, that Friday, yeah. I tell you.
Tired.
Man, I tell you, babe. What about things going on today?
Like what?
After me and everybody in the workplace agree that we go stand up and talk to the boss. Because the money we get paid don't make no sense. Right? My shoes pop out for me at work today. Look here. Pop
What
out
cause
for me.
this?
No,
My
because
God,
you
she's
all-
still not show up on the bed.
Cause you all. So me and the people them plan say we go turn up to talk to the boss. When we stand up now and start talk to the boss, wait for them disappear. So from the start, me not stop, So I tell the boss, you know, you keep your work. You better than my yard and sit down and find something else to do more than a work in the slavery place, yeah. So now I quit the job there, them pay me up, and look at money coming a long time I them not get no big payment. For 10 years, they want to look at change them give me. So they give me a second check.
She alright differently?
Apart from that, I come and see her now, I'm alright.
So you can go with her fresh and give her a massage, a nice massage.
Yeah, that sounds good, but I'm not serious of it because I'm telling me stress. That's what got in my mind because I'm kind of upset for no say after me and them done make a plan. Because if we all always stand up together united, we can achieve so much in our country. If we all always say, because we alone can do work, You know, much would have, much, how long that take to train back next week for them to start the same work. The business would have lose. So if we all stand up one time, we get where we want. And just me alone did I talk to boss.
So why you play hero? We can never wait till somebody else talk first.
But me and them make an agreement. Say, what are we going to stand up?
You should have talked till everybody hears somebody else talk first.
Alright. We good though.
So where we are going to be?
It's at the end of the world, So me go figure out something. I want to do a work. Anytime I done work, I want to get paid. I want to take care of you, I want to pitney. I want some kids.
I'm going to talk about till kid.
No, but me I said, I cannot breathe you in this situation.
Oh, I'm glad
when the money not so sure.
By the time me get pregnant, straight I start use gas. Because me now I'm pregnant in my situation, so we have to be extra careful. Because me bit enough to suffer.
It not going to take so long. You know what I mean? I have a plan, I have a plan. And if it come to the test, I may have to dump somebody down a river town, it go happen. But I have a plan. It may be dangerous. But the system I left me no chance and no choice. But me have two plans. One good and one bad. One happy and one sad. So anyone work out first, go work. But me have something in mind. Two way. Good or bad.
But with the foolishness, you know. Next thing you go to sit around, police go lock you up and me alone I go there. You have to be careful where you talk, say, babes. Because you know, say, in neighbor all this and this next thing, sit and go up and run the cut and they see you. You can't pray so. Me know, say, time hard, but me there for you. Always I go there until you get a job.
Me know where I say still. But I want life to live. I tell them, I don't like live that way here. One life to live. But anyway, I like your hairstyle. Because I left this man never having a hairstyle. Yeah. I like it.
And I'm not going to tell you, boy, you know, babes. I'm good on a Trixie since they got just that hairstyle, you know. And at 26,000. So, me don't know how you go manage or you go pay for it. But me look good, don't it?
You look good, they
Don't
fit you.
look good.
I
I'm
like
glad you want money, yeah.
love the hairstyle. But unfortunately, you have got beat for one night. You call Trixie and tell her, say, you can't pay for it, but she take it back. Or she go give you even a couple months to pay down on the installment. You pay my little money now and then till you pay off. Because I'm not gonna draw the last money to pay for hairstyle another one time like this year. Baby, maybe stressed today and I don't want no bad vibe energy. I love your hairstyle, baby, just smile with it and wear it tonight. Tomorrow, please, can you go get back in your style and just know so I saw you there. Me give one 3 grand you pay for work time, but the material will be here, then we keep the hair.
What kind of disrespect that be? But care about ear glow up and everything, so me happy pay a girl for ear. Me not like them the style there. You just make me get, you just have piss me off you now. Me not care about your ear. Me feel look good, you know. Join money man and fix me here. We think about the food later. We have food we can supply for 2 weeks.
Alright. I know say you care more about your reputation than the actual situation. The situation is not an easy one, you know. So you know what me gonna do? I will pay for the hairstyle, but you have to know, say, you have to go ban your belly. Because I'm going to do a budget on what we go spend that means I can last week till money come back in hand. So you have to make a choice now. Either your ear or the food. Which one you
The
want?
food.
The food.
Yes.
Alright then, so more go up on the road, come up page and to somebody here. Because then sell me out. Even Marcia, me and I talk to everyone and we say yes, we go some to the boss. And me alone take the fall. I not kill them, you know. But I have to give them a peace of mind. When I feel now, it's a good thing I have a gun. But I not do them nothing. I page them and talk to them.
Be careful. On the road, no, because you know time around.
So far.
God almighty.
Hello?
Trixie,
Yeah?
you know something go care about here, do?
What do you mean care about the ear?
My husband just
Do you
come home and
have
he
to pay
losing.
this
Yes, but my husband just come in and losing work, so we don't have to pay for.
Girl, don't make me kick in your back. Me need my money for my ear. You a hard person, me know you, you're my friend a long time. You always a stretch out some money for your man. So go in another place there and take up my money, dig up my money, and care my money. Come give me business a business. Me need my money. Friend can't come in a business.
So you can't give me little time to pay for it little.
No, me can't get no time to pay for it. Business a business. I can't put friend in my business. I know you have it. Why you try to go around me?
But I hungry money me have. My man just losing work, you know, girl.
See me, pay for me ear, and then you can pick up from one or left hand. But no put me ear and my business in a that. Me no want to hear about that.
Alright then, me okay, come give a man in.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice doing business with you.
Me nah come back to your place neither come do no here for so you behave.
You're not gonna mash up my business with trust. Me can't do that. Me can't make you come and owe me so much money. No, sir.
Little more.
Alright.
Marcia, what really happened to them, Marcia?
You know, say everybody, they tell me, say, them knowing I striking thing. Because who not complain say they have bills to pay, they have picnic figure school and all kind of things. Who not know who they complain say they have food in they not no food in their house, who say they don't go have little bit of food in their house. Let me tell you something. But you see me personally, you know why me no come do it, because I know me have bridging them. They have friend. God know me did want to do it, but when me look back and see how me have so much things to do. Remember say 10 pitney me have, you know? 10 pitney without a daddy. Me no know me end up in that they look there, but none of the daddy they not stand up to them pitney responsibility, and I'm me one and God alone in this. Me alone. So you know say every minute they hungry. Me have to put out all my best to give them all what me no have from what me have. So me sorry, you know. Me are bridging the sorry say me never join in with you because me understand it pay no good, but me have to just go and work with it. I not do me name want do it. I just true me have so much responsibility. You understand me? You picking them alone for them problem I kill me because me can't manage and me one. That's why me never join in with you. And me sorry. Me sorry for years that they fire you. Because me never want them fire me. Because if they fire me, who are going to help me with the youth them? Me not nobody to help me with them. And that's why me not do it. So nobody have me up feet, man. Me and still friend.
Have up is a every word, you know, but I'll show you something. Why me never get the memo? So everybody have problem. Everybody have problem. But if everybody stand together, we will achieve, because they can't fire all a week. At the same time, they can't fire all a week. So if we all stand up one time, we would get the raise of pay and would get the benefits them. Where even your 10 people would benefit from. More money and more money for you, more money for everybody. You know what I mean? Because the company is making the money and they want to keep it. So when I want somebody alone stand up, that's why they fire me alone. Because they want to say I'm me the bad apple in a bunch then.
That's true.
You know what I mean? So if we all just stand up and stick together, we can achieve things. You understand? We can't cover out. The world is what it is, you know. And but the one left the world for a long time still. Because if 10 years, I mean I can buy one good pair of shoes for my shoes.
But between no call, you saw come on, watch it.
You understand? So me I look into it and I say, yo, me need to find something different. Because money there, you know. Money there in our country, because when Mrs. them can find much million US, one place. That means say money there. But just have to get myself in another groove to get some other money there. So that I go work for now. Now that I get the time, I focus on that. I not jump in and no more 9 to 5 work because I not get pay and work every day. You know what I mean? Because if I work, I can't hire. Now a nice girl on my yard. You think I want to propose to her and give her some pitney? When I look upon you have your pitney them and you can't feed them some of my time. And at them things they motivate me if you know say yo, I want some other life, but I want the youth them, but I want them happy and alright. You know what I mean? So that's why I push out the effort. Because then let's push the effort of we getting proper pay. Because if we get more money, we can solve things. Because more money, more opportunity.
That's true, man.
You understand? More money, more opportunity for everything what we are doing. And that's the problem. We now unite, we now sit as one stand up, everybody else step back. Everybody up on one man to be the hero. And it can't work that way there. If I saw, we're not going nowhere as black people. As a people, we're not going to go nowhere.
You know, say true, you
We're
talk.
not going nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, my man down a yard, latest hairstyling I've been, and I'm going to keep back here and give people them now. And to know him is a hard-working person. And me can't afford to buy my woman one ear. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Look into how that make me feel as a man in this country. You know, so I could have taken up a gun long time and flat out some people. I could be on the number one wanted list.
Me know you not do that.
No, I tell you, I could have been. But me just travel with the goodness and I try to make things better. The system forces you to do a lot of things we think you would never do.
Me I tell you something. You see, any you get no work, me and your friend, you know, although me never join in with this video, but you have to understand my situation. Any you get no work and things are going this so, make sure you tell them say you know somebody that can do that. Because I want to come work for you. You understand me? That's why I don't want me picking them suffer although they not pay me good.
That's not a word, man. I don't have you up, you know. I don't have you up. But even in the man before I do it, me and Pete the same place I say we go striking and we start organize up it. And I see him Daja. So I'm on page next and talk to him on the phone. But here one now, I go up on the road, but I tell you, black people have a problem.
That's true.
Why? X-month is spot. X-month is squad.
Babes,
Yeah, baby.
say no one know say. The man who organize the strike, babes. Go strike.
Yeah.
But me never did that yet, you know. Go,
What happened?
go strike and the boss fire him. It's a good thing say me never strike. You know say come like say I really profit with you.
Someone didn't tell her. Never tell her say the door.
But me I say oh. The man go link with this man and I say alright. Me I follow. And then when we go, everybody else cancel upon the man. And him one go they go do it. And he fire him.
Same thing. You see if they need fire you, me would have fire you too. I don't know who would have hire you.
I mean, they must say
Would have
this.
fire you from the
They must
job.
say this still work enough. It still work. It never depend strike.
It work, but something else work behind it because we can't suffer. Me, now go sit down and suffer.
Just hurry up and come up, man, cause I want to get some to celebrate not being fired. I need some.
Come in, darling.
You think you say stop smoke squirt?
If every day you stress me, don't please stop some more.
How me stress you out now? Talk to me now, babes.
It's what we can do, sit down. When can I go look and work?
You can go work, you know. Cause when you come down here, I take care of you. But the work now pay properly. Me I work at the same place for over 10 years and see them stop work for 6 months and I broke. It don't make no sense. We can't continue upon that right now. Me I try to find a better way where me not have to work so hard and make more money.
Better you make something more than nothing at all.
Alright, here we go on now. You have a local bridging we have one local pawn shop, right? Me go talk to him, you get a work on the pawn shop. You take your time to do that. Meanwhile, me focus on that focus. You have to believe in me, no? Just believe in me. We're gonna make things change.
So make you not go to the pawn shop to work. Now you're a man, you have to be the breadwinner.
You don't know, no? What you have to look into, you know? Me I try something bigger than more, bigger money. But you're browning, you know? You're browning. I know say you want what you want. I'm want to give you what you want. So working for a man at a minimum wage salary will not provide the life for me plan in my head. That's why you see me take a step on that. Me quit from working the 9 to 5. Now the hustling will pay off 10 times better than that right now. You understand?
Where you talk no make no sense. Want do me ear, me can't buy fish again. Yeah, Rasta make you sometimes me feel like a pot, that like a pot me can't cook in my house. Nothing at all. Where you take this thing for?
You know, so you talk to me now. I neighbor them I listen, I'm giving you a listen. Come here, go talk. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, but them to see about this too, you know.
You know. See, I take you from the bottomless pit, right? And I show you love. But I realize you have a little touch of ungratefulness, right? Because ever since lately, even when I make love, I realize you're not moving like how you used to since we stopped work, right? Right? I said, believe in me.
Me tired to tell you, source of love cannot full belly. And top tell me about me ungrateful. When me have sex, me no must move away. Me can't have sex for hungry belly.
What you call hungry though?
Me hungry because you know me hard to feed because me eat enough. And you go give me one little this, one little thing and mackerel. What kind of style that? Me not used to that, man. You take me from the bottomless pit, but when me did your country, me have every good food for eat down there. So it makes sense that you make me stay a country.
Remember first time when I just come in, man. The amount of food what you get to eat, yeah. You catch niggeritis, you just sleep every day. 6 months now since we stop work because I realize say me I waste my life working in the Babylon system. We probably can't go provide for you. What if I breathe tomorrow morning? Because you see money when we make working the 9 to 5, the $7,000 and $8,000 only can buy food that can buy food for the month properly. Me have to hustle between them times. So I waste time I work for the 9 to 5. But have some faith now what me I do, I'm not a fool, you know. You might see me as suffer, but I'm not a fool. A lot of people in this country, they are brilliant people, but they're still suffering. Because this is the country of sufferation. They set it for me to suffer. So it's a 1% people is going to survive in this country. Check around. Check how much great youth lose their life because them try the wrong road. You understand? But if the country did set better, we'd have things better. Because when we work, we don't get paid. Look on the news somebody how much people are a strike. Everybody a strike. But they are not brave. They should be striking from a long time. That means that the thing when they're in the right place. It will never change. But me now in I pretty work. Like the pretty money then when I carry on no value. Me I try to figure out a work way. When I work, me get money. So I can change things. You want them things about you now. You want good, you know it's have to run. So what if you go do one little work in the meantime and now, and when you do little work in the meantime, me program, at 2 we we are fight fine now.
What we can't understand really is, yes, people are strike. Some of them are craving, they crave like you know. Because you strike for work and you not get shit in you. So who you feel say you strike for work too? You have to take a little way you have until you get bigger your work on the side. But you know what? You talk facts in some things where you talking in a sentence there. But here what? Me go look at work. But when me get to work, if I want me can take care of just me can take care of. So make sure you look something to do on the side too. Because me a woman, me want some whole heap or something. Yeah man, you don't need a lot of things. Cause you're not chim. You don't do none of them. Me have to do my ear, my nails, my toe. Me have to buy clothes to go back to work. I'm just a tell you from now. So you still need to go out, go hustle on the side and look something to do. Me I go hustle for myself. You have to hustle for your two away.
The little or nothing is what I've been working for. And that make me, as me quit now, me nah nothing.
You need to left out of that place here too.
I'm glad how you realize. So if you can find a work where really can take care of you, that's okay with me, you know. Cause reality, me don't need much, really. So as long as you alright, me alright. That's how I see it, you know. More that you eat more than me eat, you know. That's how I say, you know. You understand? More that you suck more than me suck, you know. You understand? At all times, more that you I go forward. Because I want the best for you, I take it from people in place. It's my responsibility to ensure that you're alright. So my time on the tin market alone you can buy and them thing there. I'm going to say you eat it but you make up a face same way. But you're not left. And that's a plus still. But I don't want you to smoke too much cigarette and associate yourself. You know what I mean? You know, it don't feel good. You know what I mean? I try some different things. I try the gambling no work. I try this, I try that. But we are said to me too, it makes sense. I try to find a little thing to do on the side. Me focus on the big thing. So if you are work, that will be good. You could help back up yourself. That means say, you know what I mean? We can survive it. We two are night together, you know. I take a foreign country for a reason, you know. And more make a life with you. More if I get pregnant and baby are coming now, we not live in a tenement yeah with no bag of neighbors. When every time we have sex you want to make one load nice, you have to come up your mouth and put it on a pillar. You know what I mean? More you can feel free. You can look at farming in my backyard and then we there cause every life I want to live. More live a Jamaican dream. You know what I mean? You not set for it. So I really feel say me the want to suffer. Me never want to suffer. And me never want poor. You know what I mean? But I just, I don't know if it's a curse or something, or it's a way them set it. So it's not really my fault. So let's just make up. Can we go somewhere? You wanna go to the beach? Wanna walk down to the beach? Or you wanna go to sightseeing? Because I don't like it so sad vibes, man.
You have money? You want to go on the beach?
Well, a while ago, I come find $1,000 on the road, so I'm not no owner feet, so you can go on the beach and buy one ice cream or something.
Look where you're gone to. Find money on the road. Make your good meal.
Well, I wish I did more. I wish I did don't want to share or two. We can do different something, can get a ear done and bag of things and make you smile. Come love to see you smile. Smile for me. Smile like a smile.
No touch me.
Make a smile. Let's go on the beach.
Come now. I want me find my work.
Yeah, man. No, I'm testing never work line up here already.
Me nah work there so. Just a pray for me find one big responsible man or woman.
Check out the work first before you just go
Me
one
nah
day.
work on a pawn shop. One. I really thank you for carrying me up and get ice cream, you know. But you don't have it, you know, so you should do. And I feel like I should have carried you going to ice cream. Should save them money, yeah.
I just $1,000 I'm fine, so don't worry yourself. The big things go up, Stop worry yourself. I know where I say be able. But let us enjoy ourselves. So. We find a look at $100, look at $1,000. It's a good find. So, we're glad to enjoy the ice cream and thing. So when we go home later, we fix up anything we do. We find something look good. Because we all survive, you know. You see, bright and early Monday morning, when you start work, we go find something else we want also. So I mean say at the end of the day, we not also find now. But like when me at work and I know something big. Me can't say much, but me I tell you say something big. You understand? So what you have to do now is just do what you have to do. And like come buy ice cream tonight, you know, we just want to shop. Just open up the shop.
But the ice cream I go run from belly by later.
No, we say we go cook and open up back shop later. Because it not run good.
Alright then.
Alright?
Something we can go on.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You can ask her 2 questions to ask her, man. No question which can answer. Yeah, man, but she can't come in today. No respect, my general, man. No respect, you know. Girls go for me, you know. Me know say the place, you know, go pay her. Like big bullet of money. But that she can go and do it, man. She can add, subtract. Yeah, man, she know there's something, man. She can read and write. A brain girl, man, a brain girl. She might look a little bit like a hot girl, but she got school and she learn. She never does pretty done. She understand, a pretty bright girl. You understand? Talk to her, man.
Hello, good morning. Yes. I'm 23. From what time to what time? 8:30 to 10? Can't work that late. Okay, the closest time is 6. Yes, I can work with that. Yes, what will the pay be like? 7,000 weekly? Okay, I'm gonna get ready shortly and come in. Alright.
You look a bit, you know. But you can't go and fill up a gap. I ain't have paid for transportation. Me have 2 bad link on the road, you can get a job by taxi. Me give them money. You know what I mean? Don't worry about them. Or me get a bicycle to where you gotta work some time. So don't worry about transportation. Alright?
Me need to tell us I'm ready to run and talk to people. Me not ready yet if you not work. Me here not do nothing. How me I go manage? You can't do things, so you not even talk to me. Be this too sudden, you know.
Me know still, no worry yourself about that. Kinda sudden, but that's a life. Things happen so many times. But you see how good opportunity. Up. Me say me never target say we go up on the beach.
What me I go do to me ear?
Wrap up your ear. You walk. Just wrap up it. Remember I said this something I'm finished pay for, you know. The ear there last a lifetime, you know. You can always put in the ear the back. Just put on the back and tie the wrap around it. Me say do that enough time when I check your family. When the family might come, I know why things look so bad. They do that, when you do that, see me and do your work. You understand? It can work, man. Me still I got run up. Me something I come through, you know. So a serious thing I come through, so you might try the good part at first. You understand? But some things that come true. You believe in me, right?
Of course.
Alright, just go do that work there. You know about the place, right?
No.
Alright. We're going to send on bike taxi, come pick you up and care exactly part of if you go, right?
Bike.
Yeah, man, don't worry about the bike, man. I'm safe. Just me go ride slow on the road, alright? Me have this, man. Come go. Love suck out tongue, so.
Go on with your business.
It's Mr. Blackwood talking. Yes, I call you to inform you that you have won yourself a big prize of $2,000, and in order to claim the prize, you must pay $3,000, $999.90. Hello? Hello? Hello?
This is the atmosphere.
Good morning.
Morning to you.
I mean, fire sense.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, you have ones. Yeah, Mr. Blackwood. Yeah, you have won something. Act surprised no, act surprised. Act surprised like you won something. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Yes. You have win $2 million. And to collect the $2 million, you would have to send me 3,999,99.33 cents. Yeah. Hello? Hello?
Good evening, babes.
Go on. How was your day?
How are you from morning?
How's the day I go on Chapel Line?
I'm tired. The place running now. Whole day to them, I stand up, I see them, I eat lunch, and I know I'm hungry.
Good day a whole day, I know say you at work, so I cook some food. Come there, I just sleep with the bang up on my chest.
How will you cook?
I cook some dumpling and tin mackerel. I don't say too like tin mackerel, but no remember.
Too much tin mackerel, man. The amount of tin mackerel, I'm afraid I start swim. You could buy some fish or go to seaside go get some fish.
Babe, nothing like that. We can't do that right now. I don't have no money to buy no fish. You know, I mean, I have a patience to turn up and I do fishing. Right now, I chop a line. You go work out. Just leave now, me I say, no man.
Your ambition too big. And that me can't take with you. Me tell you say you have to look something do. You can't sit down here so. Do a little work. Chop a line on the side. And make you make more money on top of it. Because see, you chop line for the morning. And me come and you can't even send me a restaurant in the morning to collect a piece of cheese. Not even $50 you don't get.
Well, I know say you want bigger things to eat. You know what I mean? But money not there for that right now. I chop a line for the morning. I'm not joke, chop me chop now. So I chop, what me get a client and bingo. You also see the same one. So calm down, man. I just there go and try me luck.
What about the side work? Look a little thing for the on the side now. Just sit down. Me come in hungry and kill me. What cook? Mackerel. Me thirsty. What we are going to do with the water? You know me not drink 5 pot, I can run my belly. So when me go, if me hungry man, me can't. When me want close to buy if we go work.
Calm down, man. Me know say you not drink pipe water, you know. So I go right round a Springfield today. Go get some spring water. So you can look on so and I blow job. Yeah, babe?
Me want good water, purified water, catching peak water. Me no want that the water. And you don't want nobody talk to you that with you. This is not work out for you. Look something else up on the side. Go work on garbage
Who
truck.
say not work out? Me almost catch a client today. Almost.
Almost.
Yeah?
You know what? I go be it. But you talk don't make no sense.
I'm going to be it, man, because you smell sweaty. Come, go on.
Me not tell you say all day me stand up.
Yes, listen, I'm going to be it then and top talking, then I'm going to eat your food.
You go tell me some me smell sweat. Where me I come from?
Yes, that me I say.
But you lie down from man. You beard me come back and see and I see him clothes, but you a chop line.
Me a chop line for man.
And I make no money.
But no wait, we don't come on, man. When money make. Go on, Joe. Go through.
And that's with you. Nobody know if you talk to you through your man.
Hello? Hello, hello? Yeah, oh, boy, I'm tired of it. Every time I call, you're going to be things. Miss, please. Me they are hungry, me I try to line for morning. Please, I'm begging you. Can you please send me even a $50 or $100, please? I'm not I'm not at a good place. I don't want to do what I'm doing, but it's where mom. I'm suffering, mom. That's what I'm trying. I don't want to take all of your money or anything. I would never rob you. Me not scamming no more. Realize, me know you realize say I was scamming. No, don't have phone, don't have phone, man. You may send man, send me a money, man.
How may I help you?
Oh, I'm just looking for some tools.
Like what type of tools you're looking for?
Oh, I'm looking for tools like spanner, hacksaw.
Oh, alright. Come this way, let I show you. This is this section right here. Okay, so this is the spanner right here in different inches. This is the hacksaw. This is the handsaw. This is the power saw right here. And you have the jigsaw.
Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna take all of them you have here, but anyways,
All of them?
yeah, no problem. I'm just taking care of something at the bank. Anyway, a beautiful lady like you, I like you, no?
So you just meet me and just like me so?
I've been watching you every morning you come to work, but you doesn't see me. Cause a pretty girl like you definitely need in my mansion, you know? Come and rule my house. Come and control everything.
Oh, so you have a big house.
Yes, darling.
What type
Very.
of work you do?
I buy shares. I have a company in the branch out all over the island. So that's how I work. So I would like to take you out so you can see what I'm all about. You know, you don't have to worry. There's no regrets.
Well, I'm mostly busy dealing with certain things. So, yeah, what's the issue now? You can come here on my lunchtime. My lunch break is 12, so you can see me here every time at 12. We can sit and talk. You can bring me lunch. We also have a refrigerator over there that is stocked with juice. Yes, so you can take it from there, and I can also give you my number and tell you when to call.
Okay, no problem, Fee. You said 12 o'clock you got lunch. I'll bring you
Yes.
lunch. When you want me cook to bring for you.
Well, I would prefer mostly fast food because I don't know you like that to eat from you yet. Maybe I have a like chef or so cooking for you, but I don't trust people that much to eat from them. So you can get me a burger or some Popeyes, or you can get me some Little Caesars pizza. I would appreciate that.
Fast what?
Fast food,
Fast food?
yes.
Oh, burger. Look at Caesar.
Anyone, I didn't say a hall, anyone you can give me.
Don't, don't worry about that. That's simple. That's a simple thing for me to handle. Trust me. That's why I want you. I'll give you bigger than burger. You can have lobster. You can have boiled. You know what they call seafood boils?
No.
Okay, well that's why I tell you, come live with me, baby. No problem. Money's there.
Tone it down a notch. You're moving too speedy and I have customers to attend to. So here what? So I just give you my number and you take it from there.
Oh,
And
you can call me Mike.
I'm Chantel.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Chantel.
No problem.
Wow. Wow, Chantel, you got it, girl. You got it. You're gonna be my number one wife.
Have a nice day.
But one more thing I never remember. Are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
This is what I like. Okay, well. Love you. See? I'm in love, girl.
Just have a great day now.
Okay, sweetheart.
And drive safe.
Okay.
So where car there? You make me feel warm.
No worry about that, B. The car is at the garage. It's washing. So you're good, bro?
Yeah, me alright.
Like that, you know?
And thanks for lunch today.
Yeah. So, you know, say, come to think of it, I know you have a man.
To tell you honest truth, yes, me have somebody I talk to. But it kinda complicated and hard with him. Cause in our work, he claims to say him a chapel. No, me not see him come with a piece of food yet. And me I feel work and I take care of him. I buy up things for the house. I make sure he say JP is not lock off the light.
Scammer? Really? Let me tell you something about scammer. You see, if you love your life, you move out. A scammer will sacrifice you just to reach. You know, take out them people that boardhouse in a next thing you gonna take out somebody client and come bullet down the boardhouse. You already a job through it. Relax yourself. Find somebody in our class like me. You can't take up a chopper. A chopper will mash up your life. You can't go end up getting no picnic either kind. We sacrifice that just for riches. Take up a hard-working businessman. Yeah, this chopper business. Look on the boardhouse and him say my chopper. What kind of chopper that?
You know, she not lie I tell though. But where me I go? Enough things he do for me, but me really tired of this situation. I don't really want to stay in that situation there for so long. I'm tired of it now. But where me I go stay?
Baby, don't worry about that. We have mansion on top of mansion. Not because you see we I walk every time I tell her, say, yeah, the car there garage, yes, because it have to wash. I don't want it to drive in a dirty car. Look at you brown and sweet. You have to leg of this rasta and chop too much. Next thing, you go and chop all pork. We don't want you to live them life. They want you to in me upstairs, cock up in my AC. We have hot and cold water. Everything, them things there for you. You're a good woman, I like you.
I go think about it.
No, I don't want you to think about it more. When you go over there, you just come to your mind and when you're ready, you refresh
Me I go
yourself.
think about him and the right time I just right time. The same time I call you and tell her say me I come just come pick me up.
Don't worry about
Yeah.
that. Me I come pick you up. Just make sure we...
Stop here so do.
Why?
You can't follow me go ride in a place.
Why?
You know don't know the situation. Me tell them I go deal with him and I link you.
You are going?
Me I go deal with it something. Me I go deal with it.
Okay, baby.
Me I go talk to you about it. So later.
Yeah. All right. Can't wait.
Later, yeah?
All right. I'm tired of hide and seat now. Woo! Yes, boy. Yeah. What a history I know.
Same thing over and over. Every day you sleep.
Tired man for last time I not to get no rest, man.
Why you feel tired you now work? I suppose me ever see this somebody when now work now do not at all take. Only thing you do is eat and sleep. Eat and sleep. But don't worry yourself. Your soul get sitting over street sorry one day. One day. Excuse your foot man.
Hello, actually, you know, see my work has been important, you know. I'm trying to chop the line. There's nothing going yet. Just give me some time, man. We get up yesterday, we clean up the place. What more you want me to do? When we used to run the place, we used to make everything alright. So if you're not too long since you start work, you're going to. But you feel I work for around 5 years.
You cook?
No, no, never cook.
You don't know what you're going to eat tonight because my belly full.
Well, we're not hungry neither. Maybe go and survive. Now you can more go up on the than so I go on. You catch up on the But apart from that though, rest now get some rest, man. Feel tired true. Alright?
You need to break up your folly grounds. You can't live so every day you church out. Me I work good little while now and every day me come back in here sleep. Me mean every day. And nothing now work out for you just lie down, lie down, lie down. And you're not pregnant. You're pregnant or you breed somebody come in. No, you're not breed me. You know what? I'm going to be because your eyes glass.
Where you go?
You know, see a time for me leave.
Leave. When me not say I leave, where mean?
A weeks now, I'm me alone. And me, you tell me, say me if you take care of myself or govern little things around me. But I'm me alone, if you supply whole household and me if you take care of you, me can't manage it. So me hear about a place to rent and me go just go there and stay. Cause this don't make no sense. You need if you look something do, you chopping now work, your music now work, babe start work, but no, you better yeah make something and not, me can't do this.
Calm down, no man.
Me calm.
Fuck on things.
No man, me have to leave, me can't do this no more. And if you look something do, me not go stay with them no longer. Me I go a place and work up myself, buy a couple furniture, keep everything in your place. Cause some me meet with the young me with a couple clothes and that me I left with to start a life. Me can't manage it. But me wish you the best and I hope you find one job.
But one thing me I say to you, you know, can me promise myself for a long time, say I will not hold you back. If you want to go, you go home, go and where you go. But remember say, are you wrong? Because when I work, I take care of everything for you. If I send money to your parents, that's one thing when I have a responsibility to do that when I have money. So why as you start work for less than a month, you know, you start make money now, you start pick up flux. You want you go leave, you go rent your own place. So this was in the intention from long time. Well, see the door there.
That's why I don't like telling nothing from people because here we go tell about say me pick up flux. Me have mango, me have worm. That's why I don't like telling nothing at all from people. Because when me dey a country good, you come and say me have to work, you have to take care of everything. Make we build up and you go help me up my own business. Nothing at all, you don't keep up with the promise and you go say me. You talk like me ungrateful. Me not ungrateful, me grateful yes, but me happy leave. Me can't stay no longer in this situation here. And night time me place cold, is a drop in my head when night time me nearly dead. Me can't stay. So later.
Hello? Hello? You have one, so
My house is in away. Yeah, look, not you. Boy, having a whole board house. Look on it, beautiful. We carry in a garage. What you mean? Yeah, one now big, so not you. It's an Airbnb, rent near renty. Right now, only number 3 room available. And this some here you stay tonight.
So Olivia gonna live there?
Yeah, man, I'm here at the mansion.
Boy, backside.
Yeah.
Come. So you see up there?
You could have asked that. Run to your body like a Wi-Fi.
Oi!
Come on.
Come here. Something special for you tonight. I don't know board. Boy, come here.
Come in, Abby.
Yes.
See your place nice. Talk shows. Look here. You have all TV, B. TV, yeah, man. What you mean? Firm bed, they're expensive, you know. Very expensive.
Think a little bit of board better than me job through with my man. How about this?
America them design, man. That's how it's TV. You know? Look on, see bathroom, Abby. No outside bathroom.
Hey!
Yeah, man.
Look where you brought me from. Hey!
Yeah, man, take all the shower you want. Use all the warm water, no more cold water for your honey.
You gonna come babe. You don't want to come babe with me?
One long time, shower.
You deserve it.
Yeah, me general. I'm get a new client, you know. Right now she downstairs. But yeah, no. Why me call you up here? You see, you see her around me. For the meantime, I'm up here for the 2 days.
Yeah.
And she asked any questions and who own the place here. Turns out me.
Tell her say you own it.
What do you mean?
So you know the one there from?
Me say, a rasta put out in woman. And me say, find out in a year and say, why rasta really put out that woman there? I come to my mind, say the girl love wallows and vanity. She love high life. I don't know where me live. You know some proper life in rasta place, neither.
Yeah, chicar.
So we chicar. Cause you know you go. Chica, I say you go. So what music thing I go?
I go on good, man, you know. I get a lot of feedback.
I mean, I'm like see young youth them. So why name it? Cause right now you can't tell me anytime soon, you know, you name it. So just give me a name, tell her by yourself for a matter of fact.
Name Puppy Dan Viva, just type it up on YouTube, you'll find it.
Don't worry, my general. We have to subscribe to you because you sing some good tune, you know.
And I say, mommy, they are foreign, you know. And I me a collect, you know. And she tell me, say, I have 2 days. You have to stay in there, so. When the 2 days come, what you going to do?
I tell you the truth, you know. You see, when the 2 days come, all you have to do is knock her up because I'm not going to be here on the last day. You see me, you know, it's time where some always do them. Not so you see me always do them for you there.
They are real chicks, that man.
No, man, none of that, man. It's not trickster, man. You see when the woman go on like they look too much sweet. You Rasta did they try look at life in a tandem, man. But the man, yes, see, so you see why reach them. That's how you go. So, you know, say, I saw you always will come back on these two. So, you don't go on like I share the first. Just knock her up, I don't miss this.
Alright.
I only hope she call me and know I come to live with me in that board house. So we do it. But don't follow me still, you know, then they walk this life. Cause you see much money your mother collect. We could have did buy 2 sheets of black.
Hello? I'm Mr. Blackwood. Yeah. No, Mr. Greenwood. I changed my name. Yeah, I'm in your area to deliver some stuff. Alright, one of my employees just come in, the supervisor is here, so let me call you back. Don't do nothing. Sit right side of the stone. Do the phone right there. Don't do nothing at all. Yeah. I'll call you back. Don't worry. Don't move from there, yeah? All if it's 10 o'clock tonight, this is a big winning. You're gonna win. You win, alright? You win. You're a winner. You're a winner. Alright. Alright, soon call you back. Man. Yeah, man. No, man, I try. I go hard. I told you I give them a no. Because I want them a beat and nothing now. One.
You don't been go yet?
No, go on it.
Jaja.
Right now, my woman just gone away.
You mean gone?
She just pack up her things and gone because she has said I not get no work. I'm dep on the line from morning till night. I'm dep on the line. She just start working. And me get the work here.
Yeah. And you been go yet?
Listen, me get the work here.
Mm-hmm.
She go work. So while me I work on this year now, she can go and balance the bill them. Anytime I bingo, she bingo to, you know. She not see the maths, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But she can't wait. So she push out and gone. But my day still go on. Me not stop it.
Yo, I saw your mother and woman then stay, brother. I saw them stay. Then they saw this minute, next minute they ain't gone. And they saw they ain't gone. Then go there so they ain't gone. Then go there so they ain't gone. I saw them stay.
So I go on for the work though differently. Me say we don't lose no work now.
Yo, John, how dog. I didn't even want to think about it. Because I have a little money when I'm head pencil to do something, you know. And then they, yo.
So you see it, you better always stand up and strike same time. You see what them do now? Then carrying so you could train them, you could train them, then leg on as the old staff them now.
But brother, by the time you reach for the strike, you get fire and gone already. So I couldn't bother do nothing again.
They don't go and bother still, but we there go and bang the line. Yo, if we get no money and bang I'm going to teach you the game. And I'm being going to teach you that game. Because I think the money in it. No for you to make money out of it. I don't catch you yet, but I catch you, I show you it.
But brother, by the time you reach, you're gone already. And the people them what did fit strike with you, they don't show up. So me just stay at work. I couldn't do nothing better. And then the manager come tell me be things to you know dog. Me have to get upset down there to you know and tell him about and then that's why they even fire me, you know.
Babes, come here.
I run him away.
How did I call you? Is the woman I call you?
Yo.
What kind of stuff? Come now.
Yo, you link here.
Yeah man, that's it.
Yeah, me tell you, God, where be yourself for? When can
What do you mean when me a behave so for? Me have all right to behave so.
But me have a friend that talk, you can't just come call me so.
My business boy, your friend. Me your friend asleep.
My girl, you can't talk to me so. And you see me do so with my friend. What I'm to you, man?
Let me go. Don't talk to me so.
What I'm to you?
We can't talk to you anyhow. Remember say you not work, you not do nothing. And me are the breadwinner right now. And me late for work. I late for work right now, so I left some food on the fire. I go finish cook it and bring it come a bar and give me. Good.
So really that you come for?
Yes. You gotta do it now because you're not working.
Me have chat before come, me finish chat and come back.
Wagwan, General.
Yeah man, you are going. You know, so me see you with your banger and thing. Me have a little proposal for you.
Yeah, man. Anything got chop line enough and the money making ready, you know, you them hungry, you know.
You know, say, in a my line of work, I drop off and pick up package thing me deal, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah man, but at some liquor.
Me know chop, man. Illegal.
Yeah man, yeah, illegal thing. So my youth them, if feds them kinda used to them and know them. Some want some fresh face like yourself, you see me?
And me I want warrior work thing so feel face fresh too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Cause we used to work at one place and we will get fired. So right now we are trying different way to make some money. Cause money we want make. For now money, cash we ready.
Alright. So wait, think you could take any?
Yeah, man, we can do it, man. Cause we there want make some money line that we are going to do at now.
Alright. So here, I'm going to give you a contact and you show me and tell you where to meet up.
That sounds good, you know.
Alright, so number 346 7280.
Alright, my daddy. What want to call you?
Yeah man, Blacker.
Blacker. Alright,
Yeah.
Blacker. Alright, daddy. Me give you a check for real, man. For the money making, ready for it, you know.
Alright.
Yo, enough respect, my general.
Alright.
No sorrow.
You see what old man job, you can't manage woman sometimes, you know, brother. Big man thing, you can't manage woman sometimes.
You're good though. What go on, you know? A while ago when I got answer, you know. Just get a good news, you know. One bridging just think me a while ago. I know it's also you have to do something with like some illegal stuff. Pick up some package and you can't search it, so take up and drop off and get cash money. No question asked.
Alright, and they say safe.
But illegal something, for the illegal you know safe. Risky.
Yo, well anything in that, cause right now, I want to move from so to get come out of that girl life, you know, cause I can't manage dreams style. I get on my nerves, you know. Me done stress out already and he must stress me out again, because I can't deal with it.
Yo, so we're betting sound and like a tonight we go drop our first package and say as I drop our package I get money. My house, every time in the house safe and day. If my mama left me, I don't like turn my house. I would somebody. I stand for the yard.
Yo, well anything in that, right now I'm ready, you know.
What check him? I hear him. I call him. I hear him and say, I'm fresh up and get myself ready.
Alright,
So tonight,
let me just finish my pan of food and carry out the moms and then you can serve shut me.
yeah man, I good.
I know where you go. Yo,
You turn yard boy.
brother, from me stop working on man, it come like a problem in my life, you know. So man, I just be a stress, everything he want me do, you know. Everything. Me can't even talk loud again and this, you know. Me can't even make him hear me. Oh.
Well, you are the lucky one, you know. Because when a woman get fed up and gone, since she start work, she gone, but if your woman a work, Anthony, you know, a mama man, but rough. Not it, Tony, that? We have to wash and cook and clean and all. And I used to be breadwinner. Rough boy.
General. Yo, but watch out, man. Right now, me I look at work, you know, man. Because I need to left the place, you know. Me I look at work. So, yeah, I can stay some months and go to breakfast in paradise in February.
If you have money still, are your girlfriend a sponsor you?
Hello.
What go on, man?
Me I go work in the morning, you go in the house go sort out the food.
So that your regular work?
Of course. You want to see all the battery rider what me have on under this and normally I forgot to see a bar me working in.
You see all in disrespect, you know?
Oh, you mean? Furthermore, don't in no chatting with me. Me I go work right now. Me late. And the man them they even want to see no flappy big woman in a bar. Me I know big woman, me a young at green girl. They want sexy girl in a bar. I some make me money. You lose fear job, you know, you know, do nothing, you know. Me a breadwinner right now, you know. Do I have to do in a house and I give me a chat.
So again, disrespect.
Boy, I have to take it's when you know an option.
Yeah, I know say boss, I know say the thing set away. But the feds them a watch you how you move the thing them. But they have to make some stuff reach you now. The demand there.
Alright. No worry, man. Me have everything locked. So me just I'll just make it reach, man. No worries, then.
Yeah man, cause you know, say if we don't get it to them, then go find a different supplier. So that we don't have a time.
Alright. No worry, man. We can't afford for that happen because you see things that things kinda expensive, you know. Light bill gone up, water rate gone up, everything gone up, so we need some food.
Alright, so make you reach me an idea.
Alright, no problem. Alright, cool.
What go on, General?
So there man, ready for you know.
Yeah, man, ready and waiting. I'm General there, you know. What you talk about?
Alright, here what? You know run on the back road on top of the hill up there, so.
Yeah, me have an idea. Me have a number, man. Me call her when we reach nearby. Alright. Yo, I done that, you know. We do the drop off thing.
The drop off.
Yeah, man. Let him what day, man. The big man, we have some work to do. Illegal stuff. Right now, yo. You ready? Yeah, gentlemen. Yeah, boss. I'll go on, General.
Yeah man, there man.
Yeah, man. I'm right on this, you know. I'm on the road.
Alright, that's all ready.
Yeah, man. We have mash up some work to do. Ready, man? Over time.
Alright, man, don't drop off this.
Alright, so who forget it?
Yeah man, Mark 1.
Mark 1, forget it.
Yeah man. I text you direction so you don't miss. Zin?
Alright. Come on. Alright, boss. Big up yourself, boss. Big up.
Yeah man.
You ever wonder why I bought that?
No worry about that, you know. We just off.
Oh. I get a look bad, you know, man. Round.
Right now,
English.
just money happy, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Chop our package up, and then get some money. That's how they will chop.
True, man, correct. I'm hungry, you know, dog.
No, that's the money thing, you know. Get some money, you know.
Hungry fuck. You know.
You have money, you know. More money, more option, you know. Let me call out while I go up on the phone, right?
Yes.
This, right?
Iba said you must get this. So call him and find out the location.
Alright.
Alright.
Where say I go on now, my general? Because I think I want one drop off and collect some money.
That was just a test, you know.
Oh, you can give me one bag, you know. You think I the other man with the drop off everything to me, you know, say.
No man, it's a female. I never remember to tell you, it's a female man.
Where say this bag of go now?
I want to know if you carry it up lot 33, phase 2.
Yeah, me know them places, man. Alright.
Yeah man. So just deal with it and then let me know when everything's sealed up. Zin?
Alright. Yo, come on. Phase 3 we have.
You're far, you're going, dog.
I have an idea, man. But, what talk to wait. Hello? Yeah, we just I got past Pink House. Or the next turn in front of the bar field. Where Avan? Pink and jeans. We are forward.
Yeah, that's she, man. We can't see it for now. Are you figure money?
No, you gotta pick up the money down at the gas station
Yeah,
from your
man.
boss.
Yeah. Let's go to you and tap ramp and run the ramp when you come to work, you know. We don't know where night, we don't know and see where night. We don't care about that. Alright? Real boss, everything go through.
Alright.
Yeah,
So, when come round, man. Cause you know we can't do transaction out of door. No come in. Alright, so you are going now. Job well done. I know so this is the beginning of something great, see? So, I'm gonna just pay you now. So that's the first set of payment. And so the next set of payment you get, you're gonna want to stop, walk and deliver. You know, can buy car. Zin?
Alright, that makes sense, man.
Alright, good.
Right, man, right, man.
Alright, enough respect, Zed.
Yeah, man.
Just show up, man. Anything we drop off anyway, we ready, you know.
Alright, do so then.
Come on.
Browning. Browning. Browning.
And I hope it. Oh, if you come to my man place, you can't do that. I'm here, beard. How you want? How you?
Look here now. You see, man, I can't stay here, so I'm a same place. That's my mother place. My mother, they are foreign. And I'm a control. They are 2 days rent for so the time up and down.
Yeah, idiot. I'm my man place this. Take a look time I go home to call police for you. Come down here, come intrude the place, so. What are you?
Look here now, Browning. I'm not going to talk long enough, but just call the boyfriend and ask him.
And that me go do because you pass bright. Babes. Me see why you come in here say, me must come out of the place. Where me papa pan come? You do what? So the should tell me make people come here and embarrass me them out here. Alright. Yeah. Sorry, you hear? Me never know. Me come out. Me I go change and come out. Give me 5 minutes.
Baby.
I wish party house there.
No worry about house, man. You will see when you reach, baby. Just come
But
on,
the
man.
grass them all scratch up my foot.
Just relax, man.
Sure.
Step over there. Step over there.
Lord God.
Yeah? Come here. Step, man.
Me tired, man.
Just relax, my honey. Oh, yeah, move, sir. Eh? Oh, yeah, move, sir.
Did you cook cause me hungry?
No, I'm not cook, but I can hard or something, you know. You want bull and bag too.
Eh?
Don't worry about that, man. Oh, yeah, you know. Yes. Yeah, baby.
Me have to go
Glad
in front
you
time.
decide to come live with me, you know. Watch your courage, then, baby. Watch your courage.
Courage.
Yeah,
What
man.
name, sir?
Something like, something like a leaf running around. You see me, baby?
Alright.
Watch the courage.
Alright,
That's
babes.
looking for my darling.
You not used to this, you know? Don't used to this.
Baby, where you go? You pass the door.
Up I house, see house there.
Which house? Which house?
Where house there?
I know my mansion, that's my little mansion, yeah.
Stop be foolishness. April 1st got a long time. You think you can fool me? Come now, babes.
B, I'm my little mansion this year. Where you go? See you something. At my house.
Someone could have left me life. Me is so hot. And come here so come live.
Then what wrong with it?
Me love you. Me like you, matter of fact, not even love. Me can't tell you so do.
You love me, and me can't go show you where me live.
So why you did lie to me in the first place?
Sometime in life, when you see woman love vanity, you have to tell them lie.
Did I give you that impression?
Look on Rasta, if you left Rasta with the job through whole house. What you would do to me with me lean house?
Me do love Rasta very, very much. You know why me left Ras? Because Ras never that try. He never that go work every day and get up say my chapel and me could bother. He never have no intention to go work. That I hungry when me step out left him. So don't come care Rasta name me that. Me sorry. Me sorry, me can't work with this. Which one must walk go back? See him where? The same where?
Take it through the bush.
No. Excuse me. Excuse me.
What you
Excuse
do?
me. Excuse me for me have to take you back and lick out your face. Excuse me.
But me love you, baby. Love you. Love you. Love you.
In money where you take your villa and something to impress man, take it fix up your players. Do better than that. And that me I run from, man, without ambition. Have some ambition, man. Uncle. Uncle. Come here 1 minute. Nothing. Me that one day me could have go and stay with you until me work myself up to get me one a place.
So what is the problem?
You know, say me and my boyfriend left and me want someone to stay.
You can stay here, man, but for the day though. When night come, you have to go left.
What you mean? You and me uncle, you know?
My rule. When night come, you have to go left.
Alright then. You know, nothing can give me feed because I'm kind of hungry.
This saloon in there, you know.
Animal crackers? No, sir. You know, nothing to drink.
What kind of pipe? I'm telling you, you have one little small passage back room there, so they say you stay till night come. When night come, I eat that. So, have your way. Have your way.
Alright.
This morning we can play some music or something.
Play some song now.
Oh, you know something have my Bluetooth now work. That's why.
Can plug in the USB there, play some music. All the vibes.
You look so sweet.
Thank you.
Are you single?
Why you ask?
Because a beautiful girl like you definitely must be taken, you know. Trust me. I would take you to my mansion, you know.
I'm good. I'm good. I don't want to go to my mansion. Me well alright. Me already have a man. I'm soon get the shot.
Listen, man. Talking about you have your man. Oh, come on, you don't know me? You don't know me? I'm Ricky Jackson's son. Give me a rum cream. Let me drink.
Hot or cold?
I need it hot, man.
How's it going?
So, let me tell you something. Come here, let me tell you something.
I don't want your, I don't care, sir. I have my man already. See, I'm a man, this. See, I'm a boyfriend.
Who? It's a boy that.
But boy, it's happy nice,
A
man. We
little
know.
boy. Yo, I'm a big man.
Look at your car.
Look at my car, see that. Go and run him when I come back. Show them who me is. Big boy in the area. Murderer.
Where you there, so? Where you come out here for? Where you come out here and watch my friend for? Where you come out here for? You watch your pooms? There, I work, me there for my job. You don't even have no money, can't give me nothing. You come out here and watch me for me food, you want to stop? Man, go on in your yard, man. Go on. No.
So really, them sitting there around here, though. Eh?
We are watching before.
You know, me did expect better from you still, but me never really expect much better. Because you're not nothing good. Anyways, we come around to make you know, say, me have money now, me have work here now, and surprise me, they surprise you and come take you out. But me come around and say, you move like you're a clown, have money in your ears. Eh? But a little dirty boy too, you have in your ears. I don't run and said, man, I style I want to style me. But because me in a work, me make a deal with me some way. But now me have money now. I gone about business. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Me say don't touch me. I mean what me have here for?
Stop being.
We make a deal, yeah, easy yourself, man.
Stop being.
Yeah, what I mean? Talk to him.
Always did it for you.
Talk to him. Always did it for who? Always did it for who?
You.
Yeah, leech.
How?
Le-
I'm not even interested
just...
in himself. No.
Listen, man, I'll leave me alone, man. Yeah, yeah, man, you're a cocoa brain.
So, why did I say no? No pay him no mind.
Who, him?
Yes.
Him is not my problem.
So, what's your problem?
You is my problem.
How?
When I was looking you right there, you were all over him. I understand, but let me tell you the real truth. I ain't got in my hands. I am poor. I just pretend to be rich to get girls. And if he has the money there, and you diss him like that, what would you do with a poor nigga like me?
You have money, you even have no money.
I'm not Ricky Jackson's son. I don't have a mansion. I have a boat house. You willing to live with me?
Of course, I'm willing to live. No, I don't want to board house rich, but you don't have no board house.
Me tell mama, a board house me have. Gunshot can take me to it. So, if you don't want me when you're poor, just tell me the truth. But me broke.
Well, too bad for you and too bad for who? Me no want no broke man. That's why me left him. Sir, take a time and go and do. Come out of the people them bar. Ring out and ring low.
Listen before me leave you. You push me out, I won't come back, but this is a lesson. He was poor, now he has money. See where you there now? You're in the bar, man touching your tip.
Wait, sir, me don't want this. Hey, don't come back at the people them place. Yeah. Don't come back here. I don't want this. You go on.
Babes, honey.
Hello. Don't do that. You know the man move out.
Allah, yeah, tell that your friend you pick up for you.
He move out. Me so move out. Me run with my woman. You know where I go.
Let me tell you something. Me and the man no left. I come if you come out of people's business. Me and the man go on a break. Oh, you reaching a relationship.
Yes, a break up.
Oh, you reaching a relationship. Me give the man some space for him better in life. I know you tell me say life better.
And the man life better and give you a yard of space.
Shut up, you will shame.
Jaja.
Yeah, woman?
One little piece of you couldn't wall out.
What you know about me and him? What you there when me and him over here at night time? Hungry, when me belly full of me and him. Why you so nup? Why you so nup?
Sorry, my lady go in her house. Give lady pace.
I have fire woman, where you go?
Other woman live. It's not your man, please, girl.
Excuse me, get before me push it down.
Push down who? You don't know fire. Bunny down in Rasta man.
You can't dash some piece for her. Eh?
Fire, look here. Let me have a diss you in this.
Miss Fire move out how long now?
Do not tell her. Do not, Tavisha.
I was talking saying again, I swear me remember.
You get rich with you?
Your fault, girl.
Do not tell her.
You have money like goat shit.
Therefore, give me information.
Me tell him. You think
Shut up now! Shut up!
Girl.
look here.
See if I never...
You know Darling?
Yes.
The gate it come in today?
Yeah.
You just go straight in. You go see one green and white house. Upstairs and downstairs. Concrete. And the grill up.
You sure that the house there the color? Alright then. You're enough.
Sabisha.
The man are going with things.
You have enough money, girl.
Thank you very much for that information there. You want to go lie down side of since I did our business, so boy.
Lie down side of who?
Alright, you don't know now.
I don't want to catch.
Thank you very much, love.
I don't want to catch
I
flea.
make sure that you are there with me, man. Come here, so I'll be coming back. If you go there.
Lock your door. Lock your door, lady. Lock your door. Lock your door. Old fart.
Okay, I go on the road tonight.
Where you want to go exactly?
I don't know. I want to go somewhere. Maybe up on the beach or something.
Give me about for the next hour for the rest of.
So long.
Alright, half an hour.
Babes! What you mean now this and the door lock?
Chantel, how you do, Chantel?
So you don't let me in?
No, give up. No, people here.
Ready.
What you mean? But so what kind of disrespect this?
Woman them there.
You're mad. Open up your door.
Hello.
Open your door now.
Listen now. Listen me I say. Nobody had it tonight. You're the day here and you choose to leave. I never tell you to go nowhere. You understand? And plus, who you find yourself? Where you say somebody?
Don't worry yourself. What kind of disrespect this?
Babes, lock the door now, man.
Hear me I say. You went there peaceful and you choose to leave. And you choose to leave, you have to stay gone.
You're mad.
Look
You're
here.
mad.
Look now, look inside. You know see what you see?
That not nothing to do with me. Me think you know me. Pay me off and me go back to country then. Cause I look like things are going. Me here me know say things are going for you. Give me money.
Chantel.
Come on, give me.
Yeah.
And a little bit of hungry me beer with you. And a little bit of hungry me beer with you.
I never dog them out. My dog them bite you.
Come on.
Sorry your foot.
Ah. Fire! 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 Two woman, not even one. I only have dry shit in your. Think a little bit of hungry me beer with your boy. You can hype up yourself. Just know say me a come back, here. You know don't let suck me a come back.
No, not that shit.
Me a come back. Fire.
Yeah.
Nothing at all.
Yo, one ever, man. You come fetch before.
Give me my money when I use buy grocery. Alright, bunny done. Alright, fire.
Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, yeah. With that niggerl, you know what I mean? Niggerl Jamaica, just from Sweet Spice, Texaco, you know what I mean? Right over there. Dennis, pawn shop, you know what I mean? So, as you watch the movie a while ago, you understand, so it's a real place, you know what I mean? So, you can come down here, come see what I go on, you know what I mean? Come get pawn something, or buy something, or sell something. Just come here, so, get yourself familiar, you know what I mean? This is niggerl. You never know that place there, so right? You know the movie inside of the place, you can't take a look in that place again, you soon see it, alright? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Fire us in that place, you know what I mean? Represent right there, so yes, we grow to, you know, right in the lane there, so. So support Jamaica and make a better Jamaica. You know what I mean? Everything we want there, buy it there. You know what I mean? All type of different things there. Bicycle there, walker there, everything there. You know what I mean? Fridge, everything there inside. Stove, mattress, everything there in there. You know what I mean? Just come down, come take a look. If you don't believe me, you have a seat for your eye if you believe it. You know what I mean? All the things. Burn it down to the ground. Support. Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. From your device, you know who it is. And you see the face. You know what I mean? Now, today I come to bear some good news for me, right? I was going through a little problem, as you can see on this video right here. You're going to see the video though. Yeah, that's what happened. You know, me never put it out to the world, to everybody still, but put it out to some people. And one big supporter contact me and send the money to purchase a phone. So now that now I have a new phone, you know what I mean, from something that send the money to buy it. I don't want to say something there. Come again. Take it. Yeah, you cut it, right? You cut it and fix it. Yeah, my good family friend. Yeah, she will buy the house. The first Jamaican house, she put 50% of the money to purchase that house. You know what I mean? It's gonna be the first house for Jamaican wood. You know what I mean? So we are looking for the lease piece of land now and start. Yeah, we don't know if we'll buy the land yet. Because we don't think we have the money to buy the land, but we'll try to see if we can get the land for lease. So we can start setting a little infrastructure. Nothing major yet. But we know say it's a uphill fight. You know what I mean? And we're at a place where it was set for us to fail. Looking at me eye, I say, Jamaica set for me and my people to fail. End up in a jail or dead. That's the future plan for Jamaicans where I'm from. You know what I mean? 1% of people is gonna live good here. It's facts. You know what I mean? I know that it's so. But I don't want it to be that way. So with the help of talent and sacrifice and the Most High blessings, we will go far places. You know what I mean? So people out there see the vision and the contribution is what make we will continue. Till now, I would have to shut it down. Because the money that come out of YouTube cannot pay so much people and pay bills. Now the light bill gone 60,000. Last month was 40,000. Plus I have different things to maintain. The premises required to occupy now. You know what I mean? So it take a lot, you know what I mean? And we have some dedicated people where help get the thing up and running. So Empress G is the one that get this phone for me. You know? She send the money come to get the phone. And this is the phone. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a Samsung Galaxy. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, enough respect, Empress G, for getting me this phone. It's gonna work wonder because I do need the phone. Even if I do the album I'm gonna do Rescue Reggae, I need a phone for record the audio them pan. You know what I mean? And just can write certain things. You know what I mean? So I'm super appreciative. You know what I mean, for this, you know what I mean. So all this can count on her. You know what I mean. She have a channel, Empress G. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I want to know, please, I'm begging you, know, please go over to her page and subscribe and tell her I say me send no. So please support me. If you can't, you know the money, I don't send come help the movements. Anybody help the movements, any assessment where you can give to them is very important. You know what I mean? Them know them are appreciated. So please, I'm begging you again, go over to and watch to her content them because she have some good content. We teach you how to cook and them something there. You know what I mean? Because I come a day when we have to learn to cook and know what we are putting in our body. Because some of these things that we're eating is gonna make us sick. You know what I mean? So please look into what I'm saying. Check out the natural things that she have over there preparing. You know what I mean? It's you know fancy. Because the fancy thing them pretty something them is what is gonna mash up us. You know what I mean? And that's the right word, it's gonna mash us up. right? So let's get down to reality and use the real stuff them. And let us endorse the real people them who is making a difference in this movements forward. So big up to all of the sponsors them out in the world, and big up to all the supporters them, big up to all of my subscribers them, you know what I mean, all of my fans them. I've been receiving a lot of call because my number they all over the page, you know what I mean, it depends even the thing with Carlanda. And the cry is still out there, Carlanda still on go to school. I've received a lot of promise. I've received over 50 promise, and not a lot I've really donate. Maybe two somebody donate already. You know what I mean? Out of 50 odd promises. So sometimes people promise and feel like, alright then, if me give 5, the next month go get that and that go on. You know right away there. So my time, you did that thing says true you and whole of people. Plenty people just only talk. It's only 1 and 2 will do action. You know what I mean? A lot of companies did that Jamaica, and when water commission strike, most of them start strike. But they would talk about it all the days because everybody feel the same way, but not when to do action. So please be an action person. Don't call and say you're gonna do stuff when you know deep in your heart you don't want to do it and you're not gonna do it. So that not really help the movements forward. That means you're a hypocrite. You want to see the movement stop. You know what I mean? And we're here today to make a difference in Jamaica. You know what I mean? And in the world. So I hope this inspire you in where you come from. You know what I mean? To help where you can help. You know what I mean? You don't have to be we to help somebody. You know what I mean? Make the world a better place. You take us. You know what I mean? That's all I can say for now. But big up everybody. Richard Brown Films, Jamie the whole network, all of the next following station, them they're on Kira TV, all of them. Every one of them, you know them. You see them come up on the factory link. Every one of the station them big up. Public report same way. Every one of them. You know what I mean? It's a movements forward. And give thanks again for the phone. Empress G, remember, go over to Empress G and subscribe. You know what I mean? Big her up, big her up. You know what I mean? Tell her I say thanks. Yeah man, enough respect. You know what I mean? I have to say thanks. I can't know how I'm going to stop say thanks. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. And it's a good day. It's Sunday. You know what I mean? And it's bad somewhere else. So, a lot of things going. Let's take a moment of silence. Alright, that's good. Could be longer, but give thanks to life. See you again next time. I'll see you on the live. So reach out to all the people them across the world. Enough respect. One love. All the time. Fair speaking. Bunny down, quick round.